Europe is a relatively small continent, located in the northern and eastern hemispheres. It is home to most civilizations that we call classical. It is also part of the supercontinent Eurasia.
There is a wide variety of climates throughout localized regions. They are mostly temperate climate zones. In the north, a Finnish winter may last 4 to 6 months and have temperatures below -30 degrees Fahrenheit. However, in the south, there are very short winters with little or no snow.
The climate in Europe is greater than that of the surrounding regions of the same latitude, due to the influence of the Gulf Stream. The Gulf Stream is nicknamed Europe's central heating, since it keeps Europe from having the same kind of winters that others of the same latitude experience. The geology of Europe is highly complex. It varies from the Scotland Highlands to the rolling plains of Hungary.
The Ural Mountains are a mountain range that runs approximately from north to south through western Russia, from the coast of the Arctic Ocean to the Ural River in northwestern Kazakhstan. Their eastern side is usually considered the natural boundary between Europe and Asia.
The Caucasus Mountains are between the Black Sea and the Caspian Sea. Formed largely as the result of tectonic plate collision, the entire region is regularly subjected to strong earthquakes. The Lesser Ural Mountains, on the other hand, are largely of volcanic origin.
Although 80 to 90% of Europe was once covered with forests due to deforestation, few areas remain untouched by man, save for its national parks. Glaciation in the last ice age and the effects of man on the environment have unevenly distributed European fauna. In most parts of Europe, large animals and predators have been hunted to extinction. The woolly mammoth was extinct before the Neolithic period. The extinction of dwarf elephants and hippos have been linked to the earliest arrival of humans in the Mediterranean Sea.
The Volga is the longest river in Europe. It's also Europe's largest river in terms of discharge and watershed. It flows through central Russia and is widely viewed as the national river of Russia.
The Great European Plain is a plain comprising of a series of river basins in Eastern Europe. It is the largest mountain-free part of the European landscape. The plain spans approximately 4 million square kilometers and is the largest landscape feature of Europe.
Mount Olympus is the highest mountain in Greece, about 100 kilometers away from Thessaloniki, Greece's second largest city. Mount Olympus has 52 peaks. The mountain peak is one of the highest in Europe in terms of topographic prominence. Mount Olympus is noted for its very rich flora, with several species of its own. It is a national park of Greece and a world's biosphere reserve. It was believed by the ancient Greeks to be the home of their gods.